Dwyer Instruments has been a manufacturer of reliable instrumentation and control products since 1931. Our goal is to supply products that meet our motto: right choice, right price, right now. Dust collection and pneumatic conveying have been, and continue to be, major markets for Dwyer. Our leadership role in this market is accomplished by designing products that improve performance while reducing customer cost. Dust collectors. Dust collector systems are utilized to enhance the quality of air released from industrial or commercial processes by collecting the dust and other impurities in the air. As the application shows, dust-laden air is drawn from the process and passed through the dust collector's filters. The filters collect the dust and clean the air before it is discharged outside or recycled back into the facility. As this process continues, dust builds on the filters, reducing their ability to effectively clean the air. Dwyer's instruments and controls offer a great solution to clean the dust collector's filters, either manually or on demand. This allows the dust collector to run continuously, which prevents costly production delays or shutdowns. The MagnaHelic differential pressure gauge, Series 2000, is used to visually monitor the differential pressure across the filters. For explosion-proof applications, the ATEX-approved differential pressure gauge Series AT2 2000 can be used to visually monitor the differential pressure across the filters. Differential pressure controllers, Series A3000 and DH3, are used to monitor the pressure drop across filters and send a signal to a timer board to start and stop cleaning cycles. Timer boards, Series DCT1000 and Series DCT600, are used to sequence a pulse valve once the differential pressure controllers indicate there is a demand for cleaning. Pulse valves, Series DCS and RDCS, are then operated for a fraction of a second, pulsing a blast of high-pressure air down the filters, removing dust and debris from the filters. Bulkhead connectors, Series BHC, are used to connect blow tubes and venturis inside the dust collectors to pulse valves that are located outside the unit. A particulate transmitter, Series PMT, is used to monitor the discharged air from the dust collector. Particulate transmitters allow operators to observe the efficiency of their filters and monitor when filters are worn out or broken. A paddle level switch, Series PLS2, is used for protection in the event that the dust clogs or bridges at the bottom of the dust collector, preventing it from being discharged. Dense phase pneumatic conveying. Dense phase pneumatic conveying utilizes a small amount of air at a relatively high pressure, typically above 15 psig, to move powdered and/or granular bulk materials through an enclosed convey line. These systems move bulk solids from storage bins or surge bins into a transporter, which then conveys the material to a receiving bin. Materials are gently pushed through the convey line in controlled slugs. As a result, dense phase is preferred for moving mixed batches or materials that may be abrasive, fragile, heavy, or hygroscopic in nature. Dwyer offers a variety of level switches which are used to monitor the level of the bulk solids in the storage bin, in the transporter, and in the receiving bin. Automated butterfly valves, Series ABFV, are used to control the flow of material from the storage bin to the transporter. Pressure transmitters, Series 626 or 628, monitor the pressurized air used to transport the material. Timer boards and pulse valves, Series DCT600 and Series DCS and RDCS, are used to clean filters in the bin vents. Bin vents clean the exhaust air, preventing material from being exhausted while the receiving bin is filling. A particulate transmitter, Series PMT, Series PMS, or Series DPM, are used to monitor the discharge air of the bin vent. Particulate transmitters allow operators to observe the bin vent filler efficiency, as well as monitor if the filters are worn out or broken. Dwyer offers a variety of fluidizers. Series FD and Series MFD are used to break and fluidize material that may have bridged or plugged during discharge of the bins. Dilute phase pneumatic conveying. Dilute phase pneumatic conveying utilizes a high volume of low pressure air, typically under 15 psig, or vacuum air as the motive force to move powdered and/or granular bulk materials through an enclosed convey line. The high-velocity airflow typical of a dilute phase system moves material through the convey line in an airborne state. These systems move bulk solid from storage bins or surge bins directly to the receiving bins using blowers or vacuum pumps. Dilute phase pneumatic conveying is extremely cost-effective and is well-suited for handling non-abrasive, non-fragile, or light materials. Continuous level transmitters, Series ULB and Series DBOB, are used to monitor the level of material in the storage bin and the receiving bins. A solenoid valve enclosure with a timer, Series SVT, is used to clean filters in the bin vents. Bin vents clean the exhaust air, preventing material from being exhausted while the receiving bin is filling. Pressure transmitters, Series 626 and 628, monitor the pressurized air used to transport the material. A fluidizer, Series BAP, is used to break and fluidize material that may have bridged or plugged during discharge of the bins. Belt conveyors. A belt conveyor consists of a continuous belt that rotates around two or more pulleys. One or both of the pulleys are powered, propelling the belt and the material on the belt forward. Belt conveyors are used in a wide variety of material transport applications, such as manufacturing, food processing, and heavy industry. Speed switches, Series NSSM or Series DSS, are used to monitor the belt speed. Belt alignment switches, Series CBAS, are used to alert the operator if a belt has started to sway off track. The belt alignment switches are generally located near the first and last pulley on both sides of the belt. The cable pull switch, Series CPS, is used to stop the conveyor for maintenance or in the case of an emergency. A plug switch, Series Ultramag, will stop operation if material plugs at the discharge of the conveyor. Electric bin vibrators, Series EBV, are used to break and dislodge material that may become plugged in the belt conveyor. Thank you for watching and for making Dwyer your choice for bulk solid applications. Dwyer Instruments. Right choice, right price, right now.